lovely Skillshare community. During our today's class, I'll show you how to create lovely wallpapers for iPhones and iPads in a Procreate, and that will be fun and easy. My name is Yoon. I'm an artist, freelance illustrator, and during my classes I constantly share some useful tips and tricks how to use Procreate in fun and easy way. So if you don't want to miss my new classes or freebies that I constantly share with my community, please hit the subscribe button. And guys, your opinion is very important to me, so you can share with me what you think about my class in discussion section. I'm gonna take you through the whole journey, my whole creative process. First of all, I will show you where to find all my freebies, how to import them into the Procreate. After that, we're gonna create a few sketches for iPad and your phone, and after that, finally, we can start coloring. Our next step will be I will show you how to add shades and highlights, and our final step, final will be I will show you how to add texture to your lovely art. Additionally, guys, I will show you what is hue saturation and brightness, how to use them, how to use curves, how to use clipping mask, and also why do we need modes and which modes we should use. I will show you how to add playful mood to your art, and in the end we will have lovely floral wallpapers for our devices. I'm gonna focus on painting beautiful floral background illustrations for iPhone and iPad as our final project. And your project will be same, to create flower illustration in any way you like, and you can choose any sketch you want, and that will help you to enjoy creative process. And as a bonus, I will share with you custom brush set, color palette that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners. If you watched my previous classes and experienced artists, probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create flower background illustrations. I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn new ways how to paint lovely wallpaper for your devices, and also to get general knowledge how to wisely use space and add cute elements to your illustrations. I can't wait to start this class, and I definitely can't wait to see what you upload to project section. Please feel free to enroll, and let's enjoy our painting process together.